All right, what's going on, guys? EP here, and we are now in Montenegro. We're traveling all over Europe. We got a fucking amazing Airbnb here, but that's besides the fact. In this video, I want to show you guys my trading strategy that made me over $180,000 this year alone. It's middle of April, so in what, 4.5 months, $180,000 profit. So tons of sauce in here, so make sure to watch all the way through. This is all for you guys, and enjoy the video. So if you guys have been watching me for a while or you're new here, basically, the whole thing I preach to my students and everyone that is in trading is keep your trading simple. My slogan is make trading simple again, okay? Everyone just started overcomplicating their trading systems when SMC and ICT and all these concepts came out, when they need to go back to the basics. The basics is what can get you profitable, and it's the easiest thing to become profitable with, because it's so simple. You don't need all these crazy things to become profitable or all these crazy rules. It's a very simple process. So I think you guys are gonna love my trading system and strategy because it is so easy and so simple. So yeah, if you guys are new here, my name's EP. I'm a full-time trader as well as a trading coach helping people become profitable and also get funded in a few months. All right, without further ado, let's show you guys the system on the chart. All right, guys, so we're here on NASDAQ, and the way I trade is building confluences and then entering with breakouts, okay? So I'm sure you guys all know about breakouts. It's a very popular system. I feel like I do it a little different than most people, so let me explain how I do my breakouts first of all. So I figure most people do breakouts, they'll like mark up like 1 hour or 4 hour support and resistance areas, and then take a breakout of that level. I do it different. So what I do is I wait for structure to be broken, and I wait, and then I enter on a 5-minute break of structure candle. So for example, right here, this was a trade that I was about to take on Thursday, and I just didn't take it because it was a little late in the trading day. However, as you notice, price came up and created structure right here, okay? It came up and then pulled back, and then we created structure. So I just marked up these two bodies with the candle, and I was waiting for basically a breakout above that level, okay? I was waiting for a breakout above that level for a 5-minute candle closure, okay? So gave the 5-minute candle closure, you could have entered right there, add your SL wherever you put your stop loss. Most of you guys would put it right there, and then you could target a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. I think 1 to 3s are more effective. But that's basically how it could have gone, and oh my gosh, it absolutely went crazy. Like I said, I did not take this trade. I wanted to, but it was a little late in the trading day. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna hold off. But basically, I wait for a 5-minute break of structure that is pro trend, and I just enter right there. Okay, so notice we've been trending up here, especially over not overall, but on the 5-minute structure. We are in an uptrend because we broke these highs right here, okay? So my bias is bullish at this point. We got a 5-minute break of structure with a 5-minute candle closure, and then that's your cue to get in. That's how I go about my breakouts. So the whole thing is building confluences to develop a bias and then entering on a 5-minute break of structure. So some of you guys might be confused when I say like build confluences. So this is exactly what I mean by that. Notice, sorry, there's motion going on in the background. But notice this, all right? There's a beautiful demand zone down here, and look what price does. Price taps into that demand zone. So automatically in your brain, you could think of a bullish bias now because we're tapping into demand zone. So most likely we should see a reaction to the upside. Doesn't mean we have to have a full move, but there is most likely going to be a reaction to the upside. So that's one confluence for buys. Another one, oh, we came up, broke these highs right here. Oh, there's 2 confluences for buys. At that point, I'm eyeing out buys. So I'm just waiting for a break of structure. Look what happens. We have these highs, this high that formed, and then a pullback. This wick is a little high to take, a breakout of the wick. So I'll just mark up the bodies right there, and bam, price gives a breakout. You could enter there and you put your stop loss where you put your stop loss. Like I said, most people do it below lows and highs, so you could do that. And from there, you just target that 1 to 3, and oh my gosh, banger of a trade, okay? So that's how short this video is. I told you, my trading is so simple. There's no reason to overcomplicate your trading at all. I believe like wholeheartedly the key to profitability is simplifying your trading, okay? That's what took me to become profitable, and then once I become profitable, and that's when I became profitable, After that, it was so easy to get payouts. Once again, in the last 1.5 years that I've been a profitable trader, I've made $300,000 trading. So this is exactly how, okay? You know, a lot of my money came from this year because I came into this year with so much confidence, and I just had the mindset of 2024. I'm just gonna scale because mid and end of 2023, I was just, you know, repeating the same thing, not really adding on my position size or, you know, account size or anything. So, you know, come 2024, up my account size, up my position size, and just scale from there. And once again, in 4 months or 4.5, 3.5, whatever it is, I made $180,000 profit with this system. So I recommend you guys try this out. It's a fucking killer system, okay? But yeah, guys, this system is killer. I really recommend you guys try it out. If you guys want more coaching and like everything in depth on this system that I created and showed you guys right here, if you want in-depth coaching, you know, the entire program, all the modules, click the link below, book an application call, and let's chat, see if I can help you out at all. And if so, then great. Other than that, guys, just, you know, drop a sub. That's all I ask for. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm very active on Instagram. The handle is EP Capital. Other than that, guys, I'm out.